Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning, Ormond Beach, Florida. 386-453-4213. Give me a call if you have any questions or concerns. This morning, it's March 13th, 2019. And this morning, I want to take you guys on a walk and show you what a really long run looks like. I've got 250 feet of garden hose laid, and I've got 300 feet of high pressure hose laid. So come on with me and come check out the job site today. Still haven't gotten that Dodge ProMaster. Really need it though, because it'll make my life a whole lot easier. All right, guys, follow me if you would. This is gonna be a day in the walk with TNT Pressure Cleaning. So I've laid my hoses out this morning, got myself prepped out. I haven't mixed my chemical yet, but I thought to myself, what a great opportunity to not only show you the work that I've done, but also for you to be able to see what a really long run looks like. Yesterday I was doing a monthly maintenance project, you may know. So my residential garden supply is coming from this spigot here, and it runs out my first 50 feet of hose here. Just have an old Never Kink that is connecting to a newer Never Kink. This is a 100-foot hose here, and now we're walking along some of the boards that have been cleaned already. You can see how beautiful they are, how clean they are, how spectacular these nautical ropes have come out. That's clean, guys. If you take a look, at the wood here, that's going to be really good wood to seal. So we've got a good sealer that we're going to be using on this project. So this is the continuation of the first 100 feet. The next 100 feet of garden hose. So that'll be 150 feet to right there. Now we're going to connect up with some of the Flexzilla. And I got to tell you guys, this hose here, Flexzilla, super lightweight, really durable, easy to coil, doesn't kink that easily. I highly recommend this garden hose. It's got these twist locks here, which really make easy on and off. It's got aircraft aluminum, so it's it's really durable, heavy duty stuff. So here we go, we're walking the next 50 feet, so that will give us a total of 200 feet of garden hose so far till we meet our next connection, and this will be our next 50 feet of garden hose, which will lead up to what I refer to as base camp. Base camp, we have our fuel supply. We have our water cooler for the human fuel supply. We have a bucket containing gloves, miscellaneous parts and tools, ropes to tie off. We have an old, this is just a standard garden hose reel that I'm using. Here we have some connections that need to be properly secured because we have a minor leakage here. So this is base camp. Now we're gonna run the 300 feet. I've got an old marking black 50-foot stretch here. This is gonna be our chemical applicator for these nautical ropes today, this 4-gallon backpack sprayer. And we're gonna keep on walking here, and you guys are gonna check out, pretty nice stuff. You guys check out these boards, you know what I mean? I was on a maintenance project yesterday, so I didn't have the opportunity to really get over here at all. But you can just see, how beautiful these boards came out. If you see here, there's no furring here, no splintering here. All of your mildew, and algae, bacteria, tannin stains, dirt and grime have been lifted. The boards are clean front and back. If you look, let's see, how can we get in there? If you look in here, you're all clean all the way around. So the ropes are looking good. And now we're gonna get into yuck land. So main purpose, guys, of this video was to show you the 300-foot run. So this is our first 50 feet of high pressure. We've already run 250 feet of garden, and now we're gonna take a walk with me. You're gonna take a walk and see the next 300 feet. This is what we'll be doing today. So we stopped here at this little corner here, as clearly as you can see the difference between, you know, something that has been cleaned, nice nautical ropes, versus something that hasn't been cleaned, nasty nautical ropes. And really nasty nautical ropes. Okay, guys, these things are black, you know, and they've got all kinds of things like lichen, algae, bacteria, there's moss, you name it. So your caps are black, you know what I mean? So we're gonna backtrack over here to where the ropes are looking beautiful. Nautical ropes are looking really nice, right? Gives it some appeal. The posts are done, the caps are done. And you can clearly see the difference, guys. There's my white boot. I like to refer to TNT pressure cleaning as white boot service. And that's because we put our all into it. This literally, guys, is, you know, not only dynamite service, but this is explosive results. And you're witnessing explosive results right now. Here's a before shot, and here is an after shot. Pretty big deal, right? All right, let's take this walk, guys. This is 300 feet of high pressure. So we're gonna finish up the first 50 feet. I'm gonna keep a pretty fast pace right here. There's my next connection. This is a non-marking hose right here. It's a coated non-marking hose. You can see I used to use that on pool decks when I was doing pool enclosures. And then I started using it to do roofs and stuff. This is 50 feet. And then we're gonna make our connection here to our double braided 100-foot. This came from Pressure Washers Direct. And they made good on a couple of fittings. They didn't replace the hose, but at $180, I didn't think that they really would. And that's, you know, not only did this hose get run over by a car, but during shipping process, it was damaged. Now, Power Washers Direct is really great. Once again, guys, this is another 100 feet of double braided, high pressure hose. And this is our run. This is what we're cleaning. Can you imagine, guys, if you had to come to work and this is what you were doing today? It's beautiful out here. It's probably 70 degrees, probably 72 degrees. Beautiful day. It's a Wednesday. It's March 13th. Here you go. Here's another connection here. This will be a single braided, non-marking hose that I got from my pressure washing store up in Bunnell. So now we'll walk this next 100 feet. And this is what we're gonna be doing today. Quite a job, huh, guys? Now, if we get down here to this next corner, man, I'm right around the corner from the boathouse. So that's, if I can get all this done today, that would be, you know, 3 days worth of work to get almost a quarter mile done. This is the famous 5-gallon jug that I mix my chemicals in. That is an X-Jet fitting that goes from 0 to 50 degrees. You can mix the ratio so it'll disperse the amount of chemical that you want. There's a male fitting there that just goes straight onto your gun or whatever you're using. I have 12 feet of hose. It allows me to shut it on or off. And and of course the very handy ball valve. I wouldn't be able to do this job without the ball valve. I'd have to be walking back to my machine. And as you guys can see, walking back to your machine is no, you know, it's a stretch. You know, just setting up for this job really has taken about an hour and a half because of the amount of trips that I have to take down here. So if you guys can see, I'm gonna turn you around. If you look down to the end of that dock, there will be a beautiful boathouse just through those trees at the end. So I'm really 2/3 of the way there. If in fact I can make it all the way down. There's a lot of work set out for me today on this Wednesday. I'll be back here on Friday and again on Saturday, and hopefully Monday we'll start sealing this thing. I know that I've got a house to do tomorrow. I'm doing a pool enclosure for a guy. doing his outdoor patios, both patios, the pool enclosure, the deck. His fireplace is just full of mold and mildew, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for free just to make him happy, so that when he gets home from work, he'll be like, wow, my patio looks amazing. And but I just wanted to bring you guys out here today and let you see that 300-foot run. 300 feet is no joke of high pressure. Now, you don't really want to be putting on any more high pressure hose than 300 feet on a 4 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI machine, because each foot thereafter you are losing pressure. And when you're losing pressure, number one, a lot of things can go wrong. And you want to take care of your machine, and you want to make sure the work that you're doing is quality work, not garden hose work. You want, if you need pressure, you need to have that pressure. So make sure you're not using any more than 300 feet of high pressure hose. I could stretch more garden hose if I wanted to, but all I have to do is turn around, go to that boathouse, and run my next run, and I'm done. So I didn't think that it was going to be this easy. Now, today's job is a lot of work. Once again, guys, we'll take another walk, and we'll end this 12-minute video. Let's see if we can get down there in a minute. So this is the run, guys, and I'm hauling butt. I'm walking super, super fast. So see how fast it's going to take us to get back to my machine. You can see that high pressure hose, and you can see all these boards individually have to be cleaned. All these ropes individually have to be cleaned. So we've got dwell time, chemical dwell time, at least 15 minutes on these boards, at least 15 minutes on those ropes. So I'll lay the boards first with chemical, let those dwell, start doing some ropes, go back to pressure cleaning, and voila. So I'm still walking, guys. This is a lot of work, but I wanted to get this on video because very rarely do you do something with this, this kind of length. So, all right, guys, we've arrived back at base camp. Whew, excellent. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for coming out with me today. Thanks for checking out the job site. Thanks for staying tuned. Check out my videos on YouTube, my Facebook business page, as well as my Google business page. And once again, guys, keep cleaning. Thank you very much for joining me. Take a look at the UAMCC. If you have any questions or concerns, my name is Trevor Thompson. I'm the owner and operator of TNT Pressure Cleaning, and you can reach me at 386-453-4213. Thanks a lot. Keep cleaning. Have a great day.